All right, folks, we are back, but we're not going to be able to do as much as I want. The main thing is just to clean up everything so that they can do service. So right now, I got some extra conduit. As you can see, I've done the base that's going to run here instead of on the other side. I'm going to try and get all of these over here, but the main thing is to get my ladder out the way, secure the cables up there, and I might be able to do my conduit, not the conduit, but the mount, but we'll see. But let me get my tools, my last bit of tools, and we'll get our stuff up there so that we can put the mounts and get the cable tacked up out of the way and stuff like that. All right, folks, I have not been recording very long, but we got the cable up here. I have enough slack here for when the TV is hung. I did put some toggle bolts there, but my drill can't get through the steel studs here, so that's fine. We'll do that when we get here. That extra cable that I cut is going to be long enough to daisy chain from that one to over to this TV. We will strap that up there and screw that in there to the ceiling when we have more time. But this is done. All of this is up out of the way. I need to move the TV out of the way. But also, we have our conduit done all the way here and coming down. I have to cut that little piece off there at the end. But we do have all of our cables here. All of this extra we're going to shorten when we have more time. But we're showing some of the volunteers here how to stream with the ATEM. I didn't know they were going to expect to stream this Sunday, but I kind of walked it through with them that they could continue to use OBS if they wanted to, but showed how we put over the restream key into the ATEM, and we were streaming with that for a little bit just to show how that works. So we're good to go. Like I said, we're going to shorten a lot of this cable here so that it will connect right there when we come back. We'll do that. Have more than enough conduit left. I think I used a box and 2 pieces from here. We got that little piece to cut off, that little piece to get done. We're going to probably put another piece right there in the corner. I'm going to take out that internet line there and run that through there as well too, but we're good to go. All of this is done. We're going to do one more little piece right there in the corner so that everything will be done. And it looks like that's not level. We'll level that one piece up. And I think that's it. And when we come back, we'll also pull down this projector. But I think we've cleaned up everything so that everything will be good for them to do on Sunday. And we'll be back either Monday or Wednesday. Monday I have to go to a different church to do a follow-up. We actually did an appointment with them before. We're just going to do a follow-up because they want to make some changes, and then we're going to move forward with them to do their install as well too. So I'm tired. I got to pick up the little one, and yeah, I'm draining. I don't want to say I'm feeling my age. I'm just tired from going up and down the ladders. But one more day, we'll get them straight. We'll get some help to hang the TVs. We're done here, and yay. So link is down below to everything that we do here. I'll bring you along once we do the last part and do the training and get them up and working. So like this type of content, you know the 3. Like I said, I'm tired. Got to get my daughter, and then we'll be up out of here. So talk to y'all later, folks.